Hello and welcome to Getting Started, Coding and Programming on TI Technology. In this video, we will look at resources for your classroom. Education.ti.com is where you get started. First, we're going to go under Activities and then the TI-Innovator Lessons. This is where you will find your TI-Innovator Hub and Rover lessons. I would first start under the 10 minutes of code and choose your technology, either the TI-84 Plus CE, the TI Inspire. We want to go to the TI Innovator Hub and Innovator Rover resources. Depending on which platform you use, the 84 Plus CE or Inspire. These lessons are short, easy to teach, to be using with students. You could use them in a core class if you were looking to add that into your class as well. Each topic is divided into units. Each unit has 3 skill builders and an application. Documents are easily downloadable. There are teacher and student documents. Each unit provides a scaffold built of knowledge for the TI Innovator and the Rover. Another great website, if you go back to the home page, another great website for projects would be the TI STEM projects page. These are other projects besides just the 10 minutes of code that can be done with the Innovator Hub and Rover. There are some that are Python based, completely downloadable, and a list of all of the materials that are needed are located on the documents as well. Thank you.